Okay, I've received a new white side router bit. I've put it on the Bosch 3 horsepower today, and I've made a test cut from here to here. You can see where I stopped. Now this is the approximate 1/8 of an inch of overhang I've got of the veneer, the walnut veneer, and this is my flush cut. So it's doing pretty good. Let me make a little bit longer path here and you can see how it's coming along. The router covers up most of everything, but I don't know if you can see that. It's doing a very nice job. I'll put a little flashlight on there next to the where that image is. It lights it up to some. It doesn't burn it out, but shows you. That's a little bit of the adhesive hanging down, but I'm very happy with the cut. So I'll continue on and then come back with sandpaper and work that to a smoother edge, and that should be ready to put the coating on. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.